Good day mga boss! Welcome po ulit sa ating channel, Math Tutorials TV. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform implicit differentiation. Are you ready? Let us start. So, when we are going to use implicit differentiation, okay. So, ginagamit po natin yung implicit differentiation when in a certain equation, the dependent variable, say y, cannot be solved explicitly in terms of the independent variable, say, for instance, x. So, we can find the derivative of y with respect to x or dy divided by dx by implicit differentiation. So, in other words, mga boss, pag yung ating given function cannot be solve using explicit differentiation, gumagamit tayo ng implicit differentiation. So, paano na natin malalaman na ang gagamitin natin is implicit differentiation? Say, for instance, mga boss, we are given x cubed plus y cubed minus 3x y equals 0. So, gaya nitong function, mga boss, so this cannot be solved using explicit differentiation. So, gagamit tayo ng implicit differentiation. Malalaman natin na gagamit tayo ng implicit differentiation if our one of the exponents of our dependent variable, say for example here in our equation that our dependent variable is y, 2 or greater than 2. So, pag ganyan mga boss, yung exponent ng ating dependent variable, malamang sa malamang gagamit tayo ng implicit differentiation. Or sometimes, pag meron tayong sa isang term is nandoon yung or magkasama yung dalawang variables mga boss. Say for instance like for this one, so magkasama yung x at saka y variable sa isang term, gagamit din tayo ng implicit differentiation mga boss. Okay? So, say for instance, given tayo nito and then we are asked to find for dy over dx or simply y prime using implicit differentiation. So, paano po ba ginagawa yung implicit differentiation? So, ito yung ginagawa natin mga boss. Yung first step mga boss, kunin na natin yung ang first derivative na ating function. Derivative of x cubed, that is 3x squared. Okay? Derivative of y cubed, that is 3y. Okay? 3y squared. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Y prime minus 3. So, product formula po tayo mga boss sa derivative. So, 3 times, so x, derivative of y, that is y prime, plus y, derivative of x is 1. So, 1 times y is 1 na mga boss, equals 0. So, notice nyo mga boss, may common factor po ang bawat terms na 3. We can divide the whole equation by 3. To simplify, this is now equal to x squared plus y squared, y prime, minus quantity of x, y prime plus y equals 0. Okay? To simplify further mga boss, distribute natin yung negative sa loob. So, this is now x squared plus y squared, y prime. This is now negative x, y prime minus y equals 0. Okay? So, the next thing we are going to do, we are going to solve for y prime algebraically. So, ang gagawin natin, lahat ng mga terms na walang y prime is ililipat natin on the right side of the equation. Ititira natin sa left side of the equation yung mga terms na may y prime. So, ito yung mga terms na may mga y prime. So, ititira natin sa left side of the equation. So, applying APE, lipat natin yung x squared magiging negative x squared. Yung negative y magiging positive y. Okay? And then, we factored out y prime. So, this is equal to y squared minus xy prime divided by y prime. So, minus x na lang. Equals negative x squared plus y. So, para y prime na yung matira, we will divide both sides of the equation by y squared minus x. Okay? Dito tayo mga boss. So, the answer will be y prime is equal to negative x squared plus y all over y squared minus x. Ito na po yung sagot mga boss. Okay, next example tayo mga boss. We have x squared minus y squared equals 1. We are asked to find for d squared y over dx squared. Okay? So, we are asked to find for d squared y over dx squared or simply y double prime. Okay? So, gagawin natin mga boss, gamit tayo ulit ng implicit differentiation. So, differentiate natin tong function na to. So, derivative of x squared, that is 2x. Okay? Minus derivative of y squared, that is 2y, y prime, equals derivative of 1, that is 0. Okay? Next mga boss, notice nyo may greatest common factor tayo na 2. Pwede nating divide both equation by 2 to simplify our equation. This is now x minus y, y prime equals 0. Okay, then we're going to solve y prime algebraically. So itira natin yung y minus negative y, y prime equals, lipat natin yung x sa kabilang sa right side of the equation using APE. This is now negative x. So dividing both sides by negative y para y prime na lang yung matira. This is now y prime equals x divided by y. Okay. So, tapos na po ba? Hindi pa, kasi yung pinapasolve sa atin is yung y double prime or yung d squared y over dx squared. So, ang gagawin natin mga boss is kunin natin yung second derivative. Okay? So, what is derivative of y prime? It is y double prime equals derivative of x divided by y. Kami tayo quotient rule mga boss. So, y times x, y, derivative of x is 1 minus x. Okay? Derivative of y, that is y prime, all over square of the denominator, that is y squared. Okay? Quotient rule po yung ginamit natin dito mga boss. Next, anong gagawin natin mga boss? Yung y prime natin dito mga boss, substitute natin ng value ng y prime dito. Okay? So, you have y double prime equals y minus x times. So, ano yung value ng y prime dito? That is x divided by y. All over y squared. Simplify lang natin mga boss. So, this is y minus x times x is x squared over y all over y squared. Okay? So, simplifying further. So, kunin natin yung LCD nito. That is y. Okay? So, may 1 dito mga boss. Y divided by 1 is y times y, that is y squared. Minus y divided by y is 1 times x squared is x squared. All over y squared. Okay? Simplify pa natin mga boss. Y double prime equals. Okay? So, this is now y squared minus x squared all over y times. So, pag divide natin fraction by another fraction, so kunin natin yung reciprocal ng denominator. So, ang reciprocal ng y squared is 1 divided by y squared or 1 over y squared. So, simplifying, we have y double prime equals y squared minus x squared times 1 is y squared minus x squared. Y times y squared is y cubed. Okay. Tapos na po ba? Okay. So, hindi pa mga boss. So, bakit hindi pa? Kasi mga boss, yung answer natin dito mga boss sa second derivative is titingnan natin yung relationship niya sa original equation natin. So, kung manotice nyo mga boss, yung numerator natin, ito, y squared minus x squared, at ito. Okay? May pagkapareho ba? Okay. So, makikita nyo mga boss, kamuntik na magkapareho. Bakit? Yung x squared, negative x squared lang dito. Okay? Yung negative y squared, may positive y squared lang dito. So, ang gagawin natin mga boss, gagawa tayo ng paraan para maging identical dito. So, ang gagawin natin mga boss, dito. Okay? So, since yung sign, yung diferensya is, ifa-factor out natin yung negative 1. Okay? So, that is now, so, eto, magiging negative y squared plus x squared all over y cubed. Okay? So, ito na mga boss. Ito yung original equation natin. So, para mas makita nyo yung pagkapareho nila, so, i-arrange ko mga boss. So, unahin ko yung x squared minus y squared. Okay. Wala naman pong kaso ito kasi commutative naman po yung addition. So, inuna ko lang yung x squared tapos minus y squared. So, kung titingnan nyo, pareho na mga boss. Tama? Okay. So, may y cube pa pala dito. So, what is x squared minus y squared in our original equation? Tama, that is 1. So, instead of x squared minus y squared, substitute natin yung 1. Okay? Divide by y cubed. So, y double prime is equal to, now to negative 1 divided by y cubed. This is now the final answer. So, napakadali lang mga boss pag ginamitan natin ng implicit differentiation. So, practice lang ng practice mga boss kasi ako naniniwala na kapag tayo ay nagpa-practice, no, hindi mahirap yung math lesson or yung mga math problems na gaya nito mga boss. Kasi I always do believe in constant correct practice makes perfect. I hope may natutunan kayo. Thank you and God bless.